In this video, we shall discuss with alcohol properties. Alcohol shows two different types of properties. One, physical property, and another one is chemical properties. So under physical properties, it will come like a solubility, melting point, boiling point, and dipole moment, etc. But in this video, we have to discuss about chemical properties of alcohols. So under chemical properties of alcohol, so alcohol again behave like a two different properties. One is alcohol act as nucleophile, and alcohol act as electrophile. So alcohol plays two different roles. One, it acts as a nucleophile, and another act as a electrophile. How alcohol act as a nucleophile? So what is nucleophile? Nucleophile means any atom which carries excess lone pair of electron, or any atom which has negative charge. Any atom which has negative charge is known as nucleophile. Next, electrophile. Electrophile means the element which has positive charge is known as electrophile, or electron deficient element. Electron deficient element is known as electrophile. Now, how alcohol acts as a nucleophile? So this is a general formula for alcohol, ROH. Basically, this oxygen carries two lone pair of electrons, and oxygen has more electron negativity than carbon atom. Once again, remember, oxygen has more electron negativity than hydrogen atom. Then this oxygen atom pull the electron from the bonded electrons. So oxygen atom pull the electron from the bonded. So here in this bond, two electrons are present. Because of more electron negativity, this oxygen atom again pull, or it accept the electron from this bonded electron. These two are bonded electrons. Once it receives the electron from the bonded electrons, so then it will become, already oxygen has 4 electrons. Okay, again it receives the electron from this bonded electron, then it becomes 6. Okay, next this hydrogen atom, it removes as a H plus ions. Okay, because of 6 electrons, this oxygen got negative charge. This part of the alcohol act as a nucleophile. This is known as nucleophile. Okay, so the breaking the bond between oxygen and hydrogen create nucleophile. Breaking the bond between oxygen and hydrogen create nucleophile. Next, how here it act as electrophile here? So here, how it will take place? OH. So in nucleophile, we have seen breaking the bond between oxygen and hydrogen. So one bond has broken. That will form nucleophile. But here, this bond is going to break. So basically, ROH, if you take one lone pair of electrons are there, R is nothing but alkyl group. So what is the tendency of alkyl group? Alkyl group always donate electrons. Always donate electrons to more electronegative element. Basically, the nature of alkyl group is electron donating group. It acts as an electron donating group. Once it donates the electron to the alkyl group, this bond becomes weak and it converted into R plus and OH minus ions. Now this one act as a nucleophile. This one act as a electrophile. Okay, so alcohol act as a electrophile. So simple. See how if you take general task, So alcohol having two different types of bonds. If you break the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, then it is converted into nucleophile. It is called nucleophile. Same way, if you break the bond between oxygen and carbon atom, okay, oxygen and carbon atom, then it will become electrophile. This is a nucleophile, this is electrophile. Now we'll see some important properties of the nucleophile and some important properties of the electrophile. Under nucleophile, we have to study about acidity of alcohol. Our first property is acidity of alcohol. Second property, acidity of phenol. Acidity of alcohol and acidity of phenols. Under electrophilic properties, under electrophile, we have to study about reaction with hydrogen halides, reaction with HX, second one reaction with PCl3, third one dehydration mechanism, fourth one oxidation reaction. So under electrophile, we have to study reaction with hydrogen halides, reaction with PCl3, reaction with dehydration reaction, oxidation reactions. Under nucleophile properties, we have to study acidity of phenol, alcohol and acidity of phenol. These are the few important reactions with alcohols under nucleophile as well as electrophile. In this video, we shall discuss about acidity of alcohol. So why alcohol shows acidic property or alcohol act as a weak acid? How? So alcohol act as an acid due to their polar bond. What is polar bond? Polar bond means here, if you observe oxygen, which is a more electronegativity, that is almost 3.5. Hydrogen electronegativity is 2.1. Carbon electronegativity is 2.4. So if you observe carefully, between carbon and oxygen there is a large difference between electronegativity. Similarly, oxygen and hydrogen, here also large difference between oxygen and electronegativity. So oxygen, because of more electronegativity, gain the negative charge. Then carbon, because of less electronegativity, positive charge. Apart from the hydrogen also act as positive charge because of less electronegativity. Okay, so showing the charges positive or negative or positive or negative. Okay, this type of charges are called polar. Poles means two different charges. So where it is showing two different charges between one bond, right? So between one bond or between this bond. So this bond act as a polar bond or this bond also act as a polar bond. Why? If any one bond shows plus or minus or plus. Okay, so the bond which exhibit positive or negative charge or negative or positive charge is known as polar bond. Okay, due to this polarity, alcohol shows acidic nature. Second point, ROH. Alcohol carries oxygen atom and this oxygen atom having more electronegativity, right? So hydrogen having less electronegativity, whereas carbon also having less electronegativity than oxygen atom. Now here this oxygen atom can easily attract the electron from the hydrogen bond or the bonded electrons. These electrons can be easily attracted. When these electrons can be easily attracted, then it converted into all oxygen already have two lone pair of electrons. Now already it received from the two electrons from the hydrogen bond, it converted into 6 electrons. Then this hydrogen atom release as a H plus ions. Okay, according to Arrhenius theory, any substances which donate H plus ions is known as acid. This H plus ions shows acidic property. More the H plus ions, more acidic. This is the first point. Second point. Then what about R group? What about R group? So here R group act as a electron donating group. So R group try to donate electron always. Hydrogen. So when R group is tried to donate electrons on hydrogen oxygen, see, when it try to donate oxygen, then it is converted into R plus, because these donated electrons, no, because of donated electrons there is electron deficiency in the R group, that's why it converted into R plus. Then oxygen carries 1 2 3 4, and already these electrons also shifted to this oxygen atom, then converted into 6 electrons, then it will become negative charge. So here this will become carbon charge. See, because of the R group, so what will happen because of this R group? So basically oxygen having negative charge, right? Because of the R group, when R group increases, see in this example R O H and one more R I will write. Okay, by increasing the R group increases means what happened? Number of electrons upon the oxygen atom also increases. R group increases means number of electron also increases. Why? R group nature itself electron donating nature. That's why upon the oxygen atom number of electrons increases. That means more negative charge increase. Okay. But here more negative charge increase upon this oxygen atom means, but here the positive charge remains constant. Positive charge remains constant. Then there is a huge difference in the charge between oxygen and hydrogen. Due to these large differences, the polarity, what we call polarity, this is called polar bond. The polarity decreases. Why polarity of the bond decreases? Because due to electron donating nature of the alkyl group, alkyl group donate electrons to the oxygen atom. Then number of electrons on oxygen atom increases. As number of electrons increases, the charge, negative charge also increases. And here hydrogen carries similar positive charge. So there is a huge gap between the charges. That's why polarity decreases. Now this oxygen unable to receive the electron from this hydrogen bond or this hydrogen, then this hydrogen is feel difficult to remove as a H plus ions. So you cannot remove this H plus ions because oxygen received the electron already from the carbon atom. So by increasing the number of carbon atoms, that much great difficulty we feel to remove the H plus ions. If we are not removing the H plus ions, then it will not act as an acidic property. Then how can we say increasing order of acidic property of alcohol? Primary alcohols are more acidic than secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is more acidic than tertiary alcohols. How? Let us see. See, primary alcohol, carbon, hydrogen. So this is one act as a primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol, carbon. So one carbon attached to two different carbon atom act as a secondary alcohol. Next, tertiary alcohol. one carbon attached by three different carbon atoms. Three other carbon atoms are called tertiary alcohol. This is tertiary, this is secondary, this is primary. See, if you observe tertiary alcohol, more three alkyl groups are there. Three alkyl groups are there. So three alkyl groups also try to donate electrons. Alkyl groups act as electron donating groups. So three electron donating groups are there. Right. If more number of electrons donated, then number of electrons upon the oxygen atom increases. Similarly, here two alkyl groups are there. In this case, only two alkyl groups are there. Right. Whereas here no alkyl groups. So here, what I mean to say, when number of alkyl groups increases, then it is very great difficulty to remove these H plus ions. Okay, compared to tertiary alcohol, 1, 2, 3 is there. Compared to this one is little easy to remove because only two alkyl groups are there. Compared to these two, this oxygen is this hydrogen is very easily can remove. How can we remove easily? Because here oxygen have only one alkyl group. Only one alkyl group. So there is a possibility to remove the electron from the neighboring hydrogen atom. That possibility is not there in this case. Why it is not there? The polarity of the oxygen is going to decrease. How it will decrease? Because of the increasing the number of alkyl group. So here it has more polarity, whereas polarity is decreases here. That's why primary alcohol act as a more acidic, which can be removed, which more acidic because this hydrogen you can remove easily, whereas this hydrogen feel very difficult to remove compared to primary. Compared to secondary, this one also very difficult. So almost primary act as a more acidic than secondary alcohol. Secondary act as a more acidic than tertiary alcohols. Acidity of phenol. So what is the difference between alcohol and phenol? This is the structural differences between alcohol and phenol. In alcohol, oxygen carries 2 lone pair of electrons. Phenol also oxygen carries 2 lone pair of electrons. And here this carbon act as a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, whereas this carbon act as a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So that means this carbon act as a sp3 hybridized carbon atom, whereas this carbon atom in the phenol, the carbon atom in the phenol which is attached OH group is act as a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, so sp2 carbon is more acidic than sp3 carbon atom. sp2 carbon is more acidic than sp3 carbon atom. Simple. So OH group attached to directly carbon, whereas here OH group is attached to carbon which carries double bond. This is a double bond, no? So here OH group is attached to carbon which carries double bond, whereas here OH group is attached to carbon which carries single bond. Double bond is more acidic than single bond. That's why phenols are more acidic property than alcohols. Phenols are more acidic than alcohol. Second point. See here, second property, what is the nature of this benzene ring? Benzene ring act as a electron withdrawing group. Benzene ring act as a electron withdrawing group. Whereas what is the nature of this all group? It act as a electron donating group. Okay, electron donating group increases number of electrons upon the oxygen atom. Electron withdrawing group decreases number of electrons from the oxygen atom. Means this benzene ring pull the lone pair of electrons. This benzene ring pull the lone pair of electrons. Means number of electrons decreases here, whereas number of electrons increases in the alcohol. Right. So due to electron withdrawing groups, so these phenols are more acidic than alcohol. This is second property. Third property, due to electron withdrawing group, electron density decreases. Electron density decreases. So electron density is inversely proportional to the acidic character. More electron density means less acidic. So that's what we have seen in the alcohol. So in alcohol, because of alkyl group, electron density is more, then acidic character is less. Whereas in phenols, due to electron withdrawing group, electron density is less. Electron density upon this oxygen atom is less. Why? Benzene ring accepting the electron from the oxygen atom, then number of electrons decreases on the oxygen. That's why phenol act as a more acidic than alcohol. So phenols act as more acidic than alcohol.